Pumpkin gardening in the USA. Hello garden lovers! Today let's talk about one of America's favorite plants, pumpkins. Pumpkins are not just for Halloween carving or Thanksgiving pies. They are also a fun and rewarding crop to grow in your own garden. Pumpkins love warm weather, so the best time to plant them is in late spring, after the last frost. They need plenty of sunlight, rich soil, and lots of space to spread out their vines. In fact, pumpkin vines can grow up to 20 feet long. Water them deeply once a week, and don't forget to mulch around the plants to keep the soil moist. With proper care, you can start harvesting pumpkins in about 120 days, just in time for fall celebrations. From mini decorative pumpkins to giant ones for contests, there's a variety for everyone. Growing pumpkins is not only great for your garden, but it also brings joy during the harvest season.